Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 601.
FamilyMath601. So, do you remember the Kelsey Houston Edwards video about slicing the cubes?
Yeah.
So what she did is you had a cube and you kind of stood it on its corner, and you looked at planes slicing up it.
Mm-hmm.
So I've made a Mathematica program that actually does that, and I'm going to start with a slice just right at the bottom of the cube here. And what do you see here?
Well, I don't see much. I just see it's basically just the bottom point.
Yeah, basically just the bottom
triangle
point. Not sure why that became so small. So we just see the bottom point. And what do you think we're going to see as we move up just a little bit? So the diagonal of this cube, which is length, the sides are length 1. So what's the diagonal?
So the sides are length from the space diagonal?
Yeah.
Is root 3.
Root 3. So if I move up from 0 to maybe just like, how about 0.3? So just going a little bit along the diagonal. What shape do you think I'm going to see now?
Maybe it's the same version of this shape, only a little bigger.
Okay. Do you want to come over here and move the mouse around?
All right.
All right. So we see that.
So it's this sort of like, it'll be a tetrahedron or something like it, but you sort of chopped off the point.
Yeah, and what I'm doing is I'm looking at a slice that's 0.2 thick, actually. So really, what I want to do is just look at the planes.
Just look at the top bit.
Yeah, sort of. But actually, the top bit is really 0.1 up from where we are. But if you go a third of the way up, so square root of 3, which is about, do you know what square root of 3 is?
It's like 1.7.
1.7, so 1.7 divided by 3.
So it would be 1.7 divided by 3 would be about close-ish to 0.6.
Yeah.
A little less.
So do like 0.55. So right in there instead of the 0.3, put 0.55. 0.55. So this should be, and then shift return. This should be where the first intersection is. With the three vertices, the first three vertices. And so you can see the triangle that she talked about in the movie, but you can also see right at the edge of those triangles as you move up what's happening.
The edges are getting, the corners are getting chopped off.
Yeah. Now if we go to the middle of the cube, square root of 3 over 2.
So it would be like 0.83-ish.
Yeah, it's about 0.866 actually. So put that in 0.866. By the way, and before you hit return, what shape do you think we're going to look like here? Because as we're a third of the way up, that's when we start leaving the triangle shapes. But on the way back, we're going to see the triangles again. So what do you think we're going to see here, right in the middle?
I think this like hexagon shape.
All right, so give it a look.
So I think this hexagon shape with these, this side is a little longer.
Okay.
They're sort of in groups of 3.
Yeah, turn it around and see it a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just keep moving it around. So there's the bottom.
And then
so the neat thing is if we were careful, we could actually print these sections of the cube and then we could kind of stack them up to make a cube. It'd actually be pretty fun. But the other thing she talked about were slices, 3-dimensional slices of a 4-dimensional cube.
yeah.
And that's what we're going to look at next.
All right.